determined there's damage on the case in the center right here because I beat this motor up letting it roll around in my truck and shit after we put the lower end together. The rods without pistons rolled over and knocked it here.
You notice when the bolt came out, the case is split?
As soon as the bolt came out, the cases fell apart.
I already hit a split.
Very nice.
You didn't hear it? Well, you can't hear shit.
I heard it pop a little bit.
On the second hit, it popped a little. Which means we have a gap in here, but when you take the bolt out, it really makes a big difference. You got to pull the bolt out.
It does.
It makes a big difference.
Those are like a press fit in that one, right? Because that one was always tight, even when we got this case.
Yeah, lock them tight. We use this tight. Still don't want to come off. Look at that. Oh, jeez. Dropped your lifter out. Oh, heaven forbid.
Oh, fail.
The lifter tool failed. Push him back up in there. What are you doing over there? Don't worry about that.
Piston.
Yeah, lifter out of here. The lifter's in the way. We haven't popped this other side yet. Put the lifter all the way up. Is it up now?
Feels like it.
Hope it keeps falling. Must not be heavy duty lifter tools. Alright. Then we failed to pop the case all the way yet. It looks like it's all the way, but it isn't. Because over here, it's still connected. But it's getting wider now.
It is.
A weird sound to it.
Can't believe it ain't losing no oil yet.
Got no oil in it. Need some help. Hold that over there so it's moving. Get on my right hand. Ready? Stand it up. There you go.
Now the oil's coming out. And there is oil. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, pinion gear over there was skirting on us a little bit.
Still, or?
No, right now it's draining.
Oh.
No, that's why I didn't want to fly off.
Yeah.
We had to turn the oil pump to get the gear. I couldn't take the gear off.
Yeah, yeah.
If you turn the crank over backwards, the gear would have came right out. She didn't do that.
I thought it did go backwards.
She failed to do that. Okay, we need a towel.
How many different gears we got?
Grab me a towel up there. Just one. One to a customer.
One per customer per visit?
Oh, one per customer. Period.
So that's a reusable towel then.
It's going to be reused for you because you're only going to get one. So you better use it
I
wisely.
use this one for the next week. He said it's dirty. I said, run it.
It's got all these assembly lube on everything. I don't know what's up with that.
Who uses assembly lube
It's like this thing
anymore?
was already clean and stuff.
People just out of control.
So we get oil coming out the breather over there. 'Cause
So it's breathing.
we turned it too much.
It's breathing properly.
So we turned it too much.
The breather is working.
All right, sir. Remember 12 was stripped?
Mm-hmm.
What was it? Which one was it? Oh, I think you're on this side. Now you're on this side?
Well, I think we should just do them all,
All right, good.
since this motor is gonna just be limited to 130 miles an hour until I can
It wasn't
find
this
that
one,
tire.
it was this one. Front one.
Hmm?
It was the front one.
Yeah, front cylinder.
All right. We gotta pour this out. My hands are all full of oil for some reason. How'd that happen?
How did that happen?
I don't know. I was nice and clean until I started working on your motor.
Well, at least it's clean oil. You're still nice and clean, technically. You're just oily.
It's oily. Oily.
Man, that's a good looking crank. Hey, I think they should give me some of my money back. There's a bunch of holes in this crank over here. It's like missing some metal. Like I paid for
Where?
a full metal crank, you know?
Full metal?
Yeah, it's like missing a bunch of metal.
Yeah, you left it outside. I think a rat got in there.
Chewed some holes, rat holes.
Some rats. Okay, we're gonna do like getting these studs out of here. The
Nice
stud removing tool.
Stud remover. Yeah. Well, yeah. You got that one that locks and it
Where's your stud
cinches
remover
it
tool?
down.
You don't have a stud remover tool?
Oh yeah, all my stuff's in my
I'm
house.
just gonna use mine.
Yep.
Which one do you want to use? The one that fits?
Yeah. That's not
This
it.
one
That's
says-
a 24. That ain't it.
It says 324 on it. We don't want a 324?
Negative.
720?
318.
720?
Better say 18.
Half inch 13?
Yeah, getting close.
316?
316, 18. Like it.
3A16. I like how I abbreviated that. You barely even catch this on camera. Bad view over there. Cameraman sucks.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
It's perfectly centered. What are you talking about?
Where's my hole? Where's my screwdriver? Where's the socket? Look at that. First time I got the right socket. You know what this one is? It's the big one. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Now, you said this was stripped? It appeared to be stripped.
At 18 psi, if it's lifting out of the case. The stud is not stripped. The stud is perfect. That stud did a perfect job of grabbing the threads and pulling it right out of the case. Don't hit it too hard. Shockwave that stud. Ah, that's a beautiful thing. S&S makes a nice product. Ooh, look, some idiot used a pair of vice grips on this at one time. That's what it was.
That's why it broke?
Yep. Some dumbass trying to do backyard garage shit.
This one ain't moving.
Not coming out or in.
Neither.
Good. Well, if it feels solid.
I don't know if it's solid, it doesn't move. It's not unscrewing. Are you leaving it?
If it's a bitch.
It didn't move.
Alright.
Not moving.
Not until we put it all back together and it
It ain't moving.
torques. Put it back together and start torquing it down, it comes pulling out of the case at 18 psi.
I think it bottoms out in there. Cross thread in or something. It ain't moving. He's in there. He's tight. I hit the other zip gun and it didn't move at all. Half-inch zip drive. When it hit it, you heard me hit it. Hit 3 times with a hammer. It did not unscrew. There's no light on. Oh, now I got light on. Yeah, it looks like it's bad, but it ain't moving. Appears to be good. But these threads right here are not good right here. This is not quite up to snuff on thread.
Throwaway threads.
The thread quality is lacking on that one. Now we don't know if any of the other ones are any good, but we knew it. We knew we got one for sure that failed. Glue that one back in, it'll be good again.
Yeah, just the top portion is good.
Well, the bottom has had a couple too. The middle's fine. Making noise over here. There. Unscrew that. Alright.
Okay, point the camera over here, huh?
What?
Because we don't only have issues with the studs, but we have an extremely limited
Yeah, but you said that was good.
crankcase to flywheel clearance.
Yeah, well. Here's what it is.
So you don't want to pull that half out?
I don't know, are we?
I mean,
We can make an oily mess if we did that.
it's one press.
Yeah. Then what? You want me to go in there and machine it?
Mm-hmm.
You notice how it looks like it's off center? Look at the gap. All the way around there's a gap. All the way around until you get right up to right there. Look how tight it is. Pretty tight.
What was it, 5 thousandths?
It had 5 thou. Yeah. Alright, we'll be back.